AWS Basics. What is cloud computing? It is the use of remote servers on the internet to store, manage and process data rather than a local server or your personal computer. The competitors of AWS are Microsoft, IBM, Google, Alibaba, Fujitsu, NTT, Oracle, Rackspace, Tencent, Salesforce, etc. Why AWS? There are three parameters. AWS Global Cloud Computing Market Share. AWS alone has 31% of global cloud computing market share as compared to its competitors. Server capacity. AWS has 6 times server capacity compared to its competitors. Flexible pricing. AWS charges on an hourly basis, meaning if you're using AWS for say 3 hours, then you will have to pay only for 3 hours, not for the entire day. Overview. Amazon provides a suite of web services that enables developers to create dynamic and robust applications. Although these tools are effective and versatile, they can be complicated to use. RightScale is dedicated to providing powerful and intuitive solutions and ways to take full advantage of Amazon Web Services. Deploying on AWS can save you time, money, and administrative effort compared to building and maintaining more traditional systems. Deploying on RightScale will magnify your return on investment, cut your time to market, and reduce the resources required to manage your hosted environment. Before we show you how we make it easier, let's cover the basics of services that Amazon provides. Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2. EC2 introduces a new paradigm for web hosting. By allowing developers to scale their number of machines up or down within minutes, it offers the capability to create distributed and scalable applications that run in the cloud. EC2 is flexible, reliable, secure, and most importantly, inexpensive. By only paying for the resources that you actually use, you can bring your multi-server application to market much more cheaply than ever before and maintain an extremely high level of quality and availability. Let's take a look at some of the basic concepts of how this service works. Simple Storage Service, S3. Amazon S3 provides a simple web services interface that can be used to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. It gives any developer access to the same highly scalable, reliable, fast, inexpensive data storage infrastructure that Amazon uses to run its own global network of websites. The service aims to maximize benefits of scale and to pass those benefits on to the developers. Simple Queue Service, SQS. Amazon Simple Queue Service offers a reliable, highly scalable, hosted queue for storing messages as they travel between computers. By using Amazon SQS, developers can simply move data between distributed application components performing different tasks without losing messages or requiring each component to be always available. CloudFront, CF. Amazon CloudFront is a web service for content delivery. It integrates with other Amazon Web Services to give developers and businesses an easy way to distribute content to end user with low latency, high data transfer speeds, and no commitments. Amazon CloudFront delivers your content using a global network of edge locations. Requests for your objects are automatically routed to the nearest edge location, so content is delivered with the best possible performance. Elastic Load Balancing. Elastic Load Balancing automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple EC2 instances. It enables you to achieve even greater fault tolerance in your applications, seamlessly providing the amount of load balancing capacity needed in response to incoming application traffic. Route 53. Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable domain name system web service. It effectively connects user requests to infrastructure running in AWS, such as an EC2 instance, an Amazon Elastic Load Balancer, or an Amazon S3 bucket, and can also be used to route users to infrastructure outside of AWS. Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS, makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. It frees you to focus on your applications so you can give them the fast performance, high availability, security, and compatibility they need. Amazon RDS is available on several database instance types, optimized for memory, performance, or I/O, and provides you with 6 familiar database engines to choose from, including Amazon, Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. You can use the AWS Database Migration Service to easily migrate or replicate your existing databases to Amazon RDS. AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM). AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) enables you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. Using IAM, you can create and manage AWS users and groups and use permissions to allow and deny their access to AWS resources. IAM is a feature of your AWS account offered at no additional charge. You will be charged only for the use of other AWS services by your users. AWS Snowball Appliance. AWS Snowball is a service that accelerates transferring large amounts of data into and out of AWS using physical storage appliances bypassing the internet. Each AWS Snowball appliance type can transport data at faster than internet speeds. This transport is done by shipping the data in the appliances through a regional carrier. The appliances are rugged shipping containers complete with e-ink shipping labels. With a Snowball, you can transfer hundreds of terabytes or petabytes of data between your on-premises data centers and Amazon Simple Storage Service. AWS Snowball uses Snowball appliances and provides powerful interfaces that you can use to create jobs, transfer data, and track the status of your jobs through to completion. By shipping your data in Snowballs, you can transfer large amounts of data at a significantly faster rate than if you were transferring that data over the internet, saving you time and money.